multiplication through groups and items. In the bright and cheerful town of Mathville, two best friends, Leo the lion and Tina the turtle, decided it was the perfect day to set up their lemonade stand.
I think we're going to have lots of customers today.
Leo exclaimed, grinning widely.
How many cups of lemonade should we prepare, Tina?
Tina scratched her head and replied, I'm not sure. Let's figure it out together. As they thought about it, Leo said,
I can see for groups of customers coming towards us.
He pointed excitedly. Tina's eyes sparkled.
And I think each group will have 3 thirsty friends.
They both nodded with determination.
We need to find out how many cups of lemonade we should prepare in total,
Tina said. They began working out the numbers in their heads. But then Leo scratched his mane in confusion.
Wait a minute. Should I do 4 times 3 or 3 times 4?
He asked, looking unsure. Tina thought for a moment and replied,
Don't worry, Leo. Remember, our friend Sam the squirrel told us about groups and items. The number of groups is 4, and the number of items in each group is 3.
Leo's frown turned upside down as he realized the importance of understanding what each number represented. To make sure they wouldn't forget, Tina came up with a fun phrase.
Let's remember groups before items,
she said, giggling.
It'll help us decide how to multiply.
They both shouted together.
Groups times items equals total.
With a newfound understanding, they wrote it down. Leo confidently said,
So, we do for groups times 3 items.
Excitedly, they worked out the total.
That's 12 cups of lemonade.
Leo announced while doing a little happy dance. Tina jumped up and down with glee.
Great, let's prepare all 12 cups so we can serve our friends.
They worked together, pouring lemonade into cups, feeling proud of their math skills. Soon enough, their friends arrived, thirsty and excited for lemonade on a sunny day. Thanks to their clever multiplication, Leo and Tina had enough lemonade for everyone. Every time they faced a new problem, whether it was about cookies or apples, they remembered their magical phrase,
Groups before items.
They would cheer. Mathville was filled with laughter and fun, all because of their lemonade stand and their great teamwork.